you doing?
Hi.
Come on in.
Oh my God, Abel. Oh my God, he got so big.
Look at you. Oh, God. Hey. I got him. I got him. Wow. Oh my God.
He's so beautiful.
Yeah, he is.
Hey.
He looks like Jax, doesn't he?
Thank you so much. I know you weren't supposed to do this.
Okay. Do you have a plan, Wendy?
I got into a sober living house at Lincoln Village.
That's good.
How's Jax?
He's okay, I think.
God, I miss him so much.
Yeah, I can imagine. Hey. You doing okay?
I don't think he's hungry.
Someone's here to see you.
You do this?
Mm-mm. She came on her own.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Need me to sign that?
Hey.
Hey. You left rehab?
Oh, moving into a sober living house in Lincoln Village. I have 64 days.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
You look great.
Thanks. So, I was just hoping I could see Abel before I go.
Yeah, of course. I think that'd be good.
Okay.
Come on.
Shit, Jax, wait. I saw him already today. I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. I'm sorry.
It's all right. You want to see him again?
I really do.
Hey, buddy. It's okay. Gotcha. Hey, buddy. Hey, it's okay. Hey, all right. It's okay. Hey, baby. Hey.
I was just feeding him.
You want to eat something? That's my boy.
You got someplace to stay?
Ramada. Gotta stay away from all my old friends, you know?
Yeah. We changed the locks at the house.
Oh, yeah, I know. The back door was open. I left my bags there, but
Well, I'm not in there yet, so if you want to stay until you check in.
what about Gemma?
Yeah, good point. Ramada's probably safer.
Mm-hmm.
Super sweet, huh?